Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can record screen using OBS. So once you install the application and the program for your laptop, so you will find yourself in here in this interface, in this page, and here as you can see there is section called sources, and here in the sources you are going, for you, if you just have installed the application, you will find these sources are empty. You have no source here, so you are going to click on the plus button, and then you will find your these options, this many two options. You are going to choose the display capture. Here you just click on it. Here you can name it as you want, of course, and once you do, you just click OK, and here as you can see it will show you a preview how it's going to be. So here you are going to choose the display, and once you do that you don't have anything else to change or to do. You just click on OK, and that's it. Now once you have that, you just select the source that you want to capture, and here as you can see you will find, for me I'm already recording, but for you, you will find start recording. You just click on that, you record the video that you want, and once you finish you just click on stop recording, and that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.